Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukas Copy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 2nd of May 2024. The day is Thursday. Um, I'm Dukas Copy's trading community member. My name is Rakesh, and I'm your host here. Kindly do not confuse me as an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. I'm not their employee. When I say that I am not their employee, it means that whatever I'm going to say here or whatever we are going to talk about, it has nothing to do with the Dukas Copy. And all the views or the trading ideas that I'm going to discuss here with you in some time, they are of my own and it has nothing to do with the Dukas Copy research team. I hope you get that point. I'm just using their YouTube platform to showcase my own analysis. I am an independent trader and we will be strictly discussing the price action here in this 15 to 20 minutes. And in the process, we will check the major Forex pairs and a few commodities like the Brent crude oil, the gold, and maybe even the Bitcoin, if you can call it commodity. And for oral analysis purpose, we'll be using the candlestick type of charts because they give us the maximum possible information. In a quick time, we will have the key levels for all the instruments that we see, and we'll see how we can use those key levels to our advantage in the coming time. So let's start one by one. But before that, I must also tell you that whatever you see in this live stream is only for information or knowledge purpose. You should do your own research before you put your hard-earned money on the line. All right. So let me take you through the standard risk disclaimer, and later on we will have the key levels. All right. So this chart, okay, this is not the, yeah, this is the dollar index one day. Now something interesting has happened here in the dollar index. Now till yesterday, we did not have this break to the upside. We were expecting, actually, we were expecting the price to keep going up from here, right? You see the price was making higher highs, higher lows, and here it makes a higher high. So here, something like this is made, yes or no? Something like this is made. So the price has made a higher high, but now it looks like there is a possibility, okay, that it is going to make a lower low. Doesn't it look like that? It looks like there's a bearish engulfing on the daily, and today the price is trying to pierce through this low level of 105.25, although it has not done it yet, but it looks like that in the near future it will do so. And if it does, then the price would have made a lower low, I mean here lower low, and then we will be expecting a lower high. So the price action that we will be expecting here will be something like this. All right, if that happens. Now if the price is able to, able to take support here and rises further higher than 106.30, then the trend will be resumed. Okay, so we don't have to think much about it. But in case this is a double top and the price breaks below this 105.34, sorry, 105.25, then we'll be looking for the selling opportunities in the US dollar, and I think that can go all the way down to 100.33. This is just a beginning of the downtrend if that happens today. Okay, so the key levels for us is 105.25 on the downside, and on the upside we have 106.30. Keep that in mind. In the Great Britain pound, the price is making higher highs and higher lows, and clearly the bias is bullish till the time the price is trading above 1.2448. So on the lower side we have a support at around 1.2448, and on the higher side we have a resistance at 1.2578. Now if I go to the 4-hour, you will see that the price broke higher and is trying to take support at this broken channels resistance line, which now should be expected to act as a support. Easy peasy. All right. What is euro doing? Euro is almost doing the same thing like the pound. It is also making higher highs and higher lows. Now this low will be established only if the price makes a high which is higher than this one. So we are expecting that in the coming time, maybe tomorrow or maybe even day after. So keep an eye on these charts. So what is the higher level? Actually this is the downswing pivot 1.0885, and 1.0623 is the support. On USD, right now it is moving exactly on the lines that we have mentioned. 0.6587 is exposed in this market, so we are looking for that to be traded very soon. Above that, 0.6644 will be exposed. On the downside, we have a support of 0.6456. This low of this candle will become a valid support only if the price trades higher than this high here. In the case of New Zealand dollar, also the market structure has broken, although the price went lower yesterday, but still we have a market structure broken to the upside. So the market has an exposure to 0.6015. If that is taken out, then the next target will be 0.6047. Actually, not this one, but the next target will be 0.6083. All right. If this is broken, then this is the first target. Later on, this is the second target. So keep an eye on. I think even when the price goes low from here, 0.5933 should be acting as a support. Let's see. We should not forget this weekly trend line that is passing through this zone. I think the price needs to go beyond this for us to become bullish in this market. US dollar against the Swiss franc. Finally, it looks like there's a possibility. Till now, the market structure has not shifted. Okay, till now the market structure has not shifted. The market structure will shift to the downside. Actually, it will shift to the downside with this low candle or this candle of this low. But I think below 0.9010, we should be looking for the selling opportunity, because this is a high wick and there is a lot of support here. Once that is taken out, I think we will be very comfortable in opening the short position. Also, in that case, if we see a close below this, or if we see a break of 0.9010, this will also incorporate the break of this rising channel. I think that will be another additional confirmation for us that the price is now headed downwards. But right now it has not broken, and we can expect higher prices. Till the time the price does not break 0.9010, we should not be looking for any selling opportunity in this one. So on the downside, 0.9010 is the support. On the higher side, we have resistance 0.9156, which I think was supposed to act as a support, and that did not happen. So we are looking for the next level of support, that is 0.9010. Now, if this does not break and the price goes upside again, 0.9245 is already exposed in this chart. Do not forget that. USD CAD, well, after the breakout to the upside, now you should be looking for the higher lows and higher highs. Price has come back to this level from where I am expecting the price to find support to the upside. Okay, but still, from the price action point of view, if you ask me, okay, so this becomes your support. 1.3632 is your support level. What about the USD JPY? Well, USD JPY yesterday broke through this low, which we were looking for, 153.58. Now, if that low is taken out, then the next support is 150.81. Since the low is taken, so we'll be looking for the selling opportunities. I think in the lower time frames, we have got the selling opportunities. See, when this low breaks, the price becomes selling. So yes, expect the price to reach 151.97 and 150.81 in the coming time. And I think this is moving in this channel, so this area may be an area of confluence, I mean an area of support for the price in the coming days. Keep an eye on this one also, that is 151.97, but if this breaks, then the next target will be 150.81. New Zealand CAD, well, the price has started churning around here, or you can say churning is something like this. The price is not doing anything, it is just moving here and there. This bearish candle is suggesting me that the price will be headed lower very soon. 0.8065 is already exposed in this market. On the upside, the resistance is 0.8169. Guys, nothing has changed in the New Zealand CAD in a few last days. The Bitcoin, well, it broke lower, broke these lows, and I think all the stops are triggered now. So the sellers will be looking for the selling opportunities. I think this is the perfect time to get the selling opportunities. If the sellers are willing to join these bandwagon, then this is the time where they should be selling. That is 59,269 area, or this 59,200 to 59,638. So I'm expecting a sell-off to happen anytime soon in this market. Brent, well, finally it closed the day below 84.61. Today it is struggling to go higher. I think a few days consolidation here, maybe today and tomorrow, and thereafter the price will go back towards 81.11 and maybe even 76.66. So keep an eye on this one also. This can actually give you a lot of movement to the downside now. Gold also, I think the buys of, sorry, the gains that it has collected yesterday, it is not able to retain them, although it went to the low of day before yesterday, and now the buyers are trying to push it higher. But anyways, the price can pull back all the way to 2228, and anything beyond that, I think above that, will be seen as a buying opportunity. But if the price breaks below this, then I will be looking for selling opportunities in this one. Right now, it's just consolidation, nothing else. Japanese index, that is Nikkei, we are looking for this to go to 36,693 and even beyond that 35,676. The price action is moving very nicely. For any reason, if the price moves away from here to the upside, then it will be seen as a bullish market structure, a break, and 39,956 will be exposed above 38,278. But that is not the case. It looks like the price is going to break to the downside. 36,693 is the obvious price that we can see in this market. Euro JPY, finally a breakdown to the downside, so we'll be looking for only selling opportunities in the Euro JPY also. The first level of target, resistance will be 165.565 and the next target is 162.27 on this one. GBP also, there is a sufficient, we can say, reason for us to go short in this one. Well, yesterday we have measured the weekly and the monthly, where we could see that the GBP AUD is in a sell mode and any rise should be seen as a selling opportunity. I think I told you this around yesterday that the price is making lower high and lower lows. So let's see how the things unfold in this one. Sorry. So yes, now the next level of interest is 1.8590 in this market. CHF JPY also, well, till yesterday there was a question mark, but today we have seen that the price has come below 169.56 again, and the price, if it closes below this, then the price will enter this channel again, and that first target of 165.36, second target of 166.56, and so many lower targets on this will be open for the coming time. You want to trade this market right now? I think this is not a good idea to trade this market, seeing that this price action. Even none of the yen pair is good to trade right now, so I will say stay away from this, or rather than burning your account for these trades. Audi New Zealand, a good trade. I think more uptrend or more gains are possible in the Australian dollar against the New Zealand, with the first target of 1.1069, second target of 1.1177 in this market. That's all, guys, from my side. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. All right, I see no questions coming up. Thank you very much for your time. I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. Just remember to only risk less than 1% of your entire capital on any single trade, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section. And please consider subscribing to this channel for more such webinars. We are doing it every day at 1700 GMT. Have a good day. Thank you very much again for your time. Bye bye. Take care. Till tomorrow, 1700.